Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to run a test case using Firefox driver. So we have already downloaded the Chrome driver and Firefox, and that we have done in one of the videos where I've just shown how to download the Chrome drivers and Firefox driver. Now here we are learning how to use them. Now using this Firefox is quite similar to the Chrome driver. So just I'll show you the similarities because the steps will remain same. Just what changes here is the location of the driver as well as the path of driver. Only these two things changes here. So for this, I'm going to create a new class. So I'll just go to the package, and from this package, I'll go to the class and I'll name this class as Open Website Firefox. And as usual, I'll take this public static void main, finish it over here. Now, the steps what we are going to use here will be similar to that we have done for Chrome driver. So just I will write the steps here. In fact, I'll write the same steps. So I'm not typing it. In fact, I'll copy and paste it here straight away. So this is the path that we'll follow. Now, in case of Chrome driver, we use the class Chrome driver class. Now, in case of Firefox, we'll use this class Firefox driver class. So just import this Firefox driver class that's defined in Selenium, and in set properties, I'll pass the locations like WebDriver.gcodriver. So remember, in Firefox, the driver name is a gcodriver, and this is the location of my gcodriver. And rest, I'm passing the Amazon website. So everything remains same. Just two things changes. First is the location of the driver, mentioning the driver which you are using. Second one is the object of driver. The object, basically the class of the driver name. So here we are using Firefox driver. There we are using the Chrome driver. So now let's run this code and see how it's working. So when I run this code, I'll see how it looks like. So now this basically opens the Amazon in Firefox driver. So that's how it works in case of Chrome driver, and this is here how it works in case of Firefox driver. Just one thing that I like to add here is that instead of putting the path here, what you see this, I'm putting the path of my location in my system. So instead of doing this, I can add a folder over here. So I like to create a new folder here and name that folder as driver. And in this folder, I'll add both of my drivers. So first I'll add the Chrome driver. I'll paste it here. Next, the gcodriver. I'll copy, I'll paste it here. So both the drivers I have copied and pasted here. Now, instead of putting the path this, what I'll do, I'll go to this gcodriver. I'll right click here and go to properties. So when I do this, this gives me the location. Now, this is the location of my gcodriver that's in my system. Basically, it's in my project. So I'll take this location, paste it over here. Let's remove this location and paste it over here. Save it and again run this. So you see, it's working fine. Now, same case we'll see with the Chrome driver. Now, in case of Chrome driver, again, I'll change the location. That is this. I'll right click here. I'll go to properties, take the location of Chrome driver from here and paste it over there in this double quotes. Save this. Now, again, I'll run this code. And you see, this time, again, the Chrome driver opens. So that's how the driver works. And this is how we can pass the location of the drivers straight away from our project. So instead of putting the location of the system location, we can give the project location. That's a small changes that you can do to your current project. That's all in this video. In next video, we'll see how to run the code using Microsoft Edge. Till then, bye bye and thank you.